Hi, this is Alicia and David, and we're going to show you how to install the Intelliglass Smarter Screen Protector onto his cell phone. This one is for the LG Nexus 5X, and this is supposed to be crystal clear and very strong. It's a screen protector to keep this from getting scratched up. It's a brand new phone, so we really want to keep it safe. Okay, the first thing you'll want to do is remove any existing cases that you've already got in place.
The first step is to clean the device using the included alcohol wipe, and I've turned off my phone to make it easier to see whether or not it's clean. Nice and clean. And then the second step is to wipe down to make sure that there's no remaining streaks using the microfiber wipe. So nice and clean. Okay, with the dust removal sticker, basically going to peel this off. Get a nice sticky surface here, and then we're going to press it over the screen to make sure that any dust is removed. As we're going to install the Intelliglass, which we have to first peel the adhesive off, and then line up the Intelliglass, making sure we're on a flat surface and lining it up with the speaker holes and the other holes, including the edge and the camera hole. Once we get it all lined up and in place, we're going to apply pressure in the middle and then push outward to see it fill up all the spots. And then, just to be sure there's no additional bubbles underneath, we're going to take this little squeegee tool. We're going to wrap it inside the protective cloth so we don't damage the screen, and then we're going to use it to scrape out any bubbles. And then I'm going to wipe it down so you can see, bubble free and installed.
So it's not interfering with the touch at all. Everything is working just fine, even with the screen in place.